Hi, I'm Dr. James. If you are looking for a solution to regulate their blood pressure, today in this honest review of StrictionBP, I will tell you what StrictionBP is, ingredients, side effects, benefits, warranty, and I also have some very important warnings, so stay with me until the end of this video and pay close attention to what I have to tell you. And an important point that requires a lot of attention and care, because with the success of StrictionBP, unfortunately many people are selling the counterfeit product on the internet, but this supplement is only sold on the official site and you will not find the original StrictionBP on Amazon or any other e-commerce. To help you, I left the link to the official site here below in the description of this video. What is StrictionBP? It can be very difficult to control when you're deeply experiencing high blood pressure. In this scenario, StrictionBP will assist you to maintain your blood pressure and ensure it stays at a healthy level for a long period of time. This is an all-natural ingredient to boost blood circulation and heart health. It aids people who suffer from a variety of health issues. The supplement is safe, effective, and secure, and uses top-quality herbs to give you the most beneficial benefits, without having to worry about the possibility of adverse side negative effects. It will assist to regulate blood pressure and feel normal. It is an assortment of natural ingredients, which play an important role in helping to improve the performance of your body without showing any signs. The formula has the ideal mixture of ingredients that regulate blood pressure, as well as sugar levels. It can also be beneficial to reduce the amount of fat in the body. Here are the main elements of StrictionBP: Ceylon cinnamon, magnesium, and vitamin B6. You can check all the ingredients and benefits on the official website. All these ingredients act together to help lower blood pressure, lower bad cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar levels. It helps improve blood circulation. It also promotes heart health. StrictionBP is a powerful and unique formula that is helping thousands of people in several countries. StrictionBP is safe and has no side effects because it is made entirely from 100% natural ingredients. The production facility in the United States fully complies with the strict quality and potency standards set by the FDA and GMP. How to use StrictionBP? Taking this supplement is simple. It is suggested to take 2 capsules a day at any time with plenty of water. You will see results in the very first week of use, but every body reacts in a different way. Clinical studies show that it is better to take StrictionBP